Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your password on your BET365 account. So if you forgot your password and you want to log in into your account again, then you can follow the steps through which you guys can change your password, alright? So you guys can log in into your account. And for people who are not familiar with BET365, BET365 is a betting website where you guys can bet on all these things: soccer, tennis, basketball, casino, crickets, all these things, alright? Just make sure you're above 18 and you're good to go. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, as I said before. Let's move on. First step, make sure you come to bet365.com. You can see at the top, that's the URL of this website. Once you type it, it's going to bring you over here. Over here at the top right, you can click on where it says login. Once you do that, it's going to show you this. Now over here, click on where it says having trouble logging in. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to another page through which you guys can reset the password of your Bet365 account. So make sure it loads up properly until then. Now once you click on that place, over here something should be displayed, and on that something it's going to ask you for your email or your phone number, whichever thing you used when you created your Bet365 account. After you enter your email or your phone number, it's going to send a verification link on your email or your phone number, whichever thing you entered. Once you do that, you need to go through that link, and from that link you guys can recover your Bet365 account, or in another word, change the password of your account. Alright, so in my case nothing is being shown because my Wi-Fi is slow, but in your case it should be fixed. Alright, once you click on it, the email or the phone number, it should be asking you that. Alright, so just provide all the information it asks you and you should be able to recover your account. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.